Hello, welcome to our weekly dose of your insurance guy. So today we'll touch on car insurance, and I think a lot of you would know and would have heard about this thing called the NCD Protector. And with that, I have my expert friend here.
No expert lah.
It's okay lah, come. Mark, he will share more about how the insurance companies markets this and whether it's worth or not to take up this NCD Protector. Okay, Mark, please share with us.
Yeah, just a very simple one. NCD, we talk about private car first lah. For NCD, every year without a claim, after a policy year, the NCD will increase by 10%. That means when we start to buy a car, it's actually 0. Then after 1 year, it's 10. Then after that, 20, 30, 40, up to a maximum 50. That's the most of the private. NCD for private cars lah. NCD structure for private cars in Singapore. So when there is an accident, when there's a claim made on the policy, our no claim discount, this NCD will be reduced by 30%. That means if you got 50%, it will be reduced by 30, it becomes 20. And for those 40%, it becomes 10. And of course, for those 30, 20, and 10%, NCD becomes 0. Okay, so how this NCD Protector works is a lot of people complain that, oh, I've been driving for years and suddenly how come my NCD dropped just after one claim? So many years ago, so the insurance company came up with this idea called NCD Protector. It's actually to protect the NCD in a way lah.
Okay.
So after one accident, for those with 50% NCD, upon renewal, it will still be intact at 50%. And for 40%, it will still be intact at 40. Okay, instead of drop by 30%. Okay, some of the misconception will be whereby I think even initially when the scheme started, I think agents were also confused. Okay, this NCD Protector so-called lock the consumer in the same insurance company.
So I can't switch insurer.
Correct.
Okay.
Because once you switch out the no claim discount, you got 50%, the new insurance company that accept will not honor 50%. It becomes 20. So that means to a certain extent, sometimes we just feel that it's a gimmick from the insurance company to tie down the customer. Because of an accident, they pay out some claims. So they need to recover this claims that they paid out for the next 2-3 years.
Okay.
Which is a very clever move,
yeah.
I feel. So yeah, that is the case. So okay. Again, Jeremy was saying that, is it worth it? Of course, nowadays, many insurance companies just throw in so-called free NCD Protector. That means you don't have to pay a single cent. Some insurance company even offer NCD Protector for those with 10% NCD. Okay, before that, when the scheme first started, it's actually for those policy holders with
30%,
50.
50. Okay.
Then, because of the market competition, some 40 and 50 they allow NCD Protector, some even 30. And right now, I understand some insurance company even with 10% NCD they also give. 往来啦，种 everything also.
Okay.
So, but the thing is, another misconception is with the 50% NCD or rather with the NCD Protector, people will think that, oh, after accident I still got 50% NCD, so my premium will still be the same as last year. But this is actually not true. Okay, I just take some figures lah. For example, for a policy, the basic premium before the no claim discount NCD is 1,000. So for somebody with 50% NCD, 1,000 less 50%, he only pay $500.
Yeah.
Okay, so after the accident, maybe the technology now is so good that they are able to separate, those policy with NCD Protector and those policy without NCD Protector. And the system can auto adjust the increment in the basic premium depending on the claim amount. Okay, another example, assuming for just now the case, 1,000 is the basic premium and there's a claim arises. Okay, for those without NCD Protector, the insurance company will, in the system, they will program, okay, for accident, we will increase 50%. So that means 1,000 increase 50%, which is 1,005. Then because there's no NCD protector, the NCD becomes 20%. So 1,500 less 20%, the consumer actually, the policyholder actually pays 1,200. Yeah. Okay, for those with NCD protector in the policy, maybe the system will auto adjust. Instead of load 50%, I load 100%. Okay, so from 1,000 instead of becoming 1,500, it becomes 2,000. So 2,000, I honor my NCD protector. So 2,000 less 50%, 1,000. So the difference is only $200 with and without NCD protector. So, but from the consumer point of view, it's like, wow, my policy has NCD protector. It's good, yeah, I'm protected. But we do not know how, nobody knows how the insurance calculate the premium. Just like we do not know how banks calculate their interest rates, penalty, all this. So, to me, I just feel that it could be it may
marketing
be
gimmick.
Marketing gimmicks. Just like in the market, there are insurance companies who advertise they give up to 60% NCD.
Yeah, I was always wondering where's the extra 10%
Yeah, so
coming from.
but I mean the General Insurance Association actually among the insurance companies really know that it's 50%. So similarly, what they do is they can mark up on the basic premium. So I give you 60% NCD, make the consumer shock lah. But actually, in Chinese is 羊毛出在羊身上啦. So it's like the gimmicks is got 60% NCD, but I just mark up the premium, and I don't collect less.
Okay, so so at the end of the day, whether or not it's worth to take NCD protector,
I mean, from my
individual.
No, from my personal point of view, if it is like FOC free of charge, of course take lah. And if you need to pay a bit more, maybe like WeChat call, I think it's still okay because no matter what, just now we can see with or without NCD protector, the markup 50% and 100%, there's still a savings of $200. So if it's FOC for NCD protector, of course we take lah. But even if we need to pay a small premium, it's still okay to take up because ultimately, should there be a claim, we still there still be savings in our pockets. But just be prepared that the savings is not
that
great as per what the insurance company so-called promise or advertise. That's about all.
Okay, thank you.